Hi, Eric Thomason again, Blue Nail Enterprises, your home improvement and restoration experts, and I'm here today to talk to you guys a little bit about how to look over an insurance scope of work or paperwork. Sometimes this can be a little bit intimidating. It's a little hard to read, and if you don't do it every day like we do here at Blue Nail, it can be kind of hard to figure out. So I want to share with you guys basically how to read that scope. So we're taking a look at this summary of loss. At the end of your scope, sometimes at the beginning, you'll have what's called a summary for dwelling or a summary page. That summary page will break down the total numbers of what your insurance company has deemed is their estimate or offer to complete the repairs. The first line you'll commonly see is the line item total. This is a total of all the line items in their estimate or offer, and they're totaled up here. Right below that you will see a sales tax line. For most residential, it's typically material sales tax. If it's commercial, it should say commercial sales tax because they're two different taxing methodologies. So very important depending on whether you're commercial or residential. Below that, you'll find a replacement cost value. So this is the total of all the line items and the sales tax. So this is basically what the carrier has deemed is appropriate to complete the repairs. Right below that, you'll see what's called less depreciation. So depreciation is a holdback the insurance company performs, and they do that based on the age of the material that they are replacing. Right below that depreciation line, you will see an actual cash value. So what they say at that point, hey, this is your total minus depreciation. This is the amount that we deem is appropriate for your first payment. Then they automatically remove your deductible. Your deductible comes straight off of that amount because they are assuming that that is your responsibility or your contribution to the loss. And that's predetermined in your policy, obviously. And then your net claim amount. So this is the amount of your first payment or first check. The net claim is what the insurance company pays you up front, and it is yours to do with as you please. So you can go to Vegas, make a car payment, pay off your house, but the only downfall to that is unless you spend the entire amount stated in the replacement cost, you will not recover the depreciation because the depreciation is only owed if you do all of the work. And then right at the very end, the net claim, if depreciation is recovered, is the total amount of the first check and the last check if you recover it, and obviously minus your deductible. Allow Blue Nail Enterprises to help you interpret these and help make sure that you understand exactly how these claims work and exactly how the payments are to be received so that you can make sure you maximize your benefit and get your home or business restored properly. So reach out to Blue Nail today at 469-726-2176 or find us on the web at bluenailroofing.com.